All right, so here's a little help with your post-test review, problems 3 and 4. And I'll start with number 3. Again, we're looking to simplify. So in this case, if I know I need to simplify, I need to get all of my x's on one side of the equation and all of what I call my naked numbers or numbers without variables. And in this case, we have these two numbers. So I'm going to start with my x's. And in order to get all of my x's on one side, I need to move either my 4x or my 7x. I think it's going to be easier to move this 4x. So in order to move it, I need to undo what's happening here. Because this is a positive 4x, I need to subtract it from both sides in order to get rid of it over here. So I'm still left with 11 over here. I have 7x minus 4x gives me 3x plus 26. So I move my x's, I have that on one side. Now I need to move my naked numbers, quote unquote, so that they're all on one side. Because I started over on this side of the equation, I need to move to this side, which means I need to move this 26, and because it's being added, I need to subtract it. So 11 minus 26 is going to give me a negative 15 equals 3x. I'm not quite done yet because I still need to get x by itself. In order to get x by itself, I need to undo what's going on here. This is saying multiplication, so I need to divide to get rid of it. Negative 15 divided by 3 gives me negative 5, and I'm left with x. Then if we come over here to number 4, we have x plus 6 over 7 equals x over 5, and again I need to simplify, or I need to get x by itself. When you see an equation like this, when there are two different fractions or ratios, you need to do your cross multiplication. So first things first, cross multiply. 7 times x gives me 7x, my marker's running out, equals, and then I need to cross multiply here, 5 times x plus 6. I see parentheses here, so I need to distribute. This can stay here. In order to distribute, I distribute this 5 to both the 5, or to the x and the 6, so I'm going to be left with 5x plus 30. And again, I want to get all of my x's on one side of the equation, keep my naked numbers on the other. So in this case, I'm going to move this 5x. So that cancels. I'm left with 7x minus 5x gives me 2x, and I'm still left with 30 here. Not quite done, because my x isn't by itself. This is being multiplied, so to undo that, divide both sides by 2, and x equals 15.